The second definition is combination. The number of combinations of n distinct objects taken or at a time is given by NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. I will explain with this example. So I am going to consider three sketches: red, blue, orange. So from these three sketches, I am going to select one sketch. So it may be orange or blue or red. So the selection can be done in three ways. Now I am going to select two sketches from these three. So it may be red and blue, or blue and orange, or red and orange. So the number of ways to select two sketches from these three is three ways. So here just I have three sketches. Here the number of sketches is 12. So from these sketches I am going to select two sketches. So for selection it will take so much time, right? So for that selection we can use the formula, that is NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now consider these four sketches. So that is red color, blue color, green color and orange color. So we have number of distinct object is 4, that is n is equal to 4. Now I am going to select 2 from these 4, that is we can take this as r, right? So by observation, how can you select? So first we can select red and blue, right? Next we can go for red and green. Next we can go for red and orange. Next we can go for blue and green. Next we can go for blue and orange. The last one is green and orange. So these are the ways to select two sketches out of 4 sketches. So here n distinct object is very small. If it is more, we can apply that formula. So see, we can check with this formula. So what you have, n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 2. So substitute in that formula. So NCR is equal to, that is 4C2 equal to, so n is equal to 4. So 4 factorial divided by n minus r. So n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial into r factorial is, that is r is 2. So 2 factorial. So we know the definition for factorial. 4 factorial means the product of first 4 natural numbers. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 2 factorial, 1 into 2 into 2 factorial, 1 into 2. So 2 get cancelled. So 1 time, 2 time, which is equal to 6. So number of ways is 6, right? See, we got the 6 combinations, 6 selections, right? So the number of combination of n distinct objects taken or at a time is given by NCR, that is combination, selection. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now find the value for 5C3. That means NCR, n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 3. So what do you get? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial into r factorial, that is 3 factorial. So it is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So 5 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 divided by 2 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 get cancelled. So 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2 5s are 10. So the value of 5C3 is 10. See, without using the formula, we can do in short way. That is 5C3 equal to So R is 3, yeah. So we have to write up to 3. Start from 5. So 5 into 4 into 3 divided by. So here we have 3, no? So we can write 1 into 2 into 3. So 3 get cancelled. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 10. So the same answer you get. Right, in the same way. 4C2. So 4C2 equal to, we have two terms now, we can write. So 4 into 3 divided by, we have 2 here, therefore 1 into 2. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6. So the same answer you got. Now what is the value for NC0? So you can apply the formula, that is n factorial divided by n minus r. The value of r is 0. So n minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So n factorial divided by n minus 0 means n. So n factorial into 0 factorial value is 1. So n factorial get cancelled. The final answer is 1. So NC0 is 1. In the same way, NC1. So n factorial divided by, in the place of r we have 1. So n minus 1 factorial into r factorial, that is 1 factorial, is equal to. So the numerator n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by. So denominator what you have? N minus 1 factorial into 1 factor value is 1. So n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. So the answer is n. Right? Next, NCN. So n factorial divided by, in the place of r we have n, therefore n minus r, that is n minus n factorial into r factorial is n factorial. Right? So n factorial get cancelled. So 1 divided by n minus n is 0. So 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. Therefore 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So we have NC0 value is 1. That is 5C0 is 1. 11C0 is 1. Here 11C1 is 11. That is NC1 is n. Next NCn is 1. That is 11C11 or 10C10 or 100C100. The value is 1. So we can use these formulas in your exercise.